Going on, guys? I have a huge smile on my face right now, and it's not because of a car part. It's because of that. I'm so excited. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is my weekend. I just got home from work, as you can tell, in my work clothes still. I'm gonna eat this delicious food, and then we're gonna head outside where it's extremely cold because it's raining here in California and the garage is freezing and my feet feel numb from being outside all day. But we're gonna tear into the car some today, and we got a few little things to do. So like I said, I'm gonna enjoy this food. I'm gonna put on some TJ Hunks. I see he just dropped a video. But real quick, comment below, do you guys like sushi? Oh my god. That was so good. Whew. Alright, guys, comment below if you guys like sushi. What's your favorite kind? Comment below. I want to see what you guys think. But now I feel like I can just go to sleep. But I'm gonna go change, and let's go ahead and head out into the garage. I'll see you guys out there. Alright, guys, so we are outside now. One thing I need to do is we need to get the welder out. If you guys remember, a few videos ago, I went ahead and installed this piece because it was hitting. Every time I'd air out, the car would just shake because the exhaust would hit. Well, it works, but because I had a gap about that big and then trying to get this to cover it, it was literally seeping out. So this goes pretty much like that. But basically, it was seeping out literally like right through there. So, I mean, I'm not gonna trash this or anything. It's a good product. I like it. It makes for easy, you know, access to remove things. But in this case, it didn't work. So we're gonna get the car jacked up in the air. Right now, I did buy a 3-inch inner diameter piece, just a metal pipe. It's about this big. And we have that on there. No more leak or anything. However, it's not welded in, so we need to get this thing a little bit more perfected than how we have it right now. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and just throw a few tacks in, and then that way that'll be solid. We won't have to worry about that. And then we'll end up taking that into the muffler shop at some point and having them kind of re-weld everything, because we are gonna be getting this exhaust redone. And when you guys find out what I have going on, oh, it is gonna be so good. Check it out, guys. We are at 4,980. So if you guys are watching this video right now and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. My goal is to try to hit 5K this weekend. So today, you guys are watching this right now, is Thursday. I want to hit it this weekend. That way we can celebrate it. If not, no big deal. My goal is to hit it before the end of the year. But if we can hit it this weekend, that's going to be awesome. got that all done. Super happy. That's big progress right there. Now I want to start it up and just make sure that there's no tension on the piping, otherwise it's going to cause a lot of shaking in the car. So let's go ahead and get that tested. All right, so what I want to do is obviously start it up, and I'm gonna put it reverse and then drive. Cool, everything feels good. Sweet. All right, we're looking good. All right, so now that we're done with that, I want to show you guys how I did something with my taillights. I've done this before, and a lot of you guys have reached out to me on how I did it. However, I've never told anybody how, because I kind of wanted to be the only one. And I know for a fact that nobody else has ever done this before. At least I'm pretty certain. But I'm going to reveal a secret. This is how I'm going to show you guys how to get both your taillight rings to light up for free. Check it out. I know it's daytime right now, but they're both basically lit up. If you guys can tell. And I'm going to show you guys right now how to do that for free in about 10 minutes. So I'm going to remove one of the taillights and just quickly show you. It's such a super simple thing. Now keep in mind, I have the, I don't even know what it's called, the dynamic turn signal duo or whatever it's called, where your turn signal changes from the outside one to the inside one. Keep in mind, I do have that. That one wasn't even touched, jeez. So all you're gonna need is a butt connectors. You're gonna need 4 of them, and that's it. And then like literally like 5 minutes of your time. This is the turn signal now, right here. Before it used to be this one. And then you have this outside bulb right here. Now, if you want to keep that bulb, then you could try to figure out some other way of doing it. However, I don't care for that bulb. So, but when you turn your lights on, that lights up. So what I basically did was I cut. So you have this bulb right here. I cut it, right? And it used to go to these ones, and then these went here. Since this bulb works, or from this wiring, all I did was cut this one, and then connect this connector that goes here into this bulb, and that's it. That's all you do. 2 little butt connectors, and you have yourself a set of free Skyline taillights without spending a ton of money and having to open your taillights up. Now that is a better option. It looks much cleaner, and we are gonna go that route at some point. But this is something that I've experimented on back when COVID had just started, and I was bored and I wanted to kind of just try new things. And this is something I figured out, and a lot, and I mean a lot of you guys reached out. How do I do it? There you go, guys. Secret's out, so go have fun. All right, so now that I showed you guys that, the other thing on the muffler I want to address, if you look right there, you can see it's hitting. And it used to hit a lot worse. I'm gonna hammer that little section up. That way, we can get some more clearance for when we air out, it doesn't hit. And 2, we can then ride lower. Because even when I'm driving low, that thing, and it's not even low, but that thing hits everything in the road, everything. So because of that, I can't drive too low. So we're gonna take that off, hammer it up, see how much clearance we can get. I don't really care if this is janky or not. I almost dropped the camera there. But we're gonna do it because, like I said, we're gonna be changing this exhaust up anyways, and I have no intentions of selling this ISR exhaust, because if I get another car in the daily, maybe we'll just throw it on that. But let's go ahead and get the car aired back up, get the rear end jacked up. Thank you. All right, guys, so I think that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I really can't wait for the new year to come. Well, I can wait, but I'm excited for it because early January, we're gonna be getting this exhaust completely redone, and it's gonna be badass, guys. Just wait for it. It's gonna be so cool. I think we're gonna definitely actually be, I think we're just gonna remove the entire ISR exhaust, to be honest. If I can find my OEM resonator, we may throw that on there because it's flat on the bottom, not oval like this. So we're gonna have more clearance, and we're gonna go back to 2.5-inch piping all the way back. That way, there's just more clearance. There's really no need for 3-inch. Yes, it does change the sound and whatnot, but all in all, I'm excited because, yeah, I want to redo all of it. So I'm super stoked. I just need Christmas to be done because that's where my money's going to. But it's okay. It's a caring, loving month, right? Treat others before yourself. But anyways, guys, that's gonna do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys like the taillights. And if you did, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment below, and again, guys, subscribe. Big things to come. We're almost halfway to 10,000. That's so unreal. Huge shout out to all of you guys. Thank you so much, especially to the subscribers who have been following me since the LS400. Y'all are amazing. And if you guys are watching one of these videos right now and you're a subscriber since the LS400, drop a comment down below. I want to go ahead and put a little heart next to your comment. But I hope to catch you on the next one, guys. Until next time, as always, peace out.